In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix PDF preview pane not working in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the PDF preview pane usually falls because of a handler conflict between your PDF reader like Adobe or Edge and system-wise tools like Microsoft PowerToys. So if the pane is visible but says no preview available, Windows might be blocking the background script. What you want to do is open up any folder. So I'm just going to open something up right now. And then once you go ahead and open it up, it's going to look something like this. On the top, click the three little dots and then go ahead and select options. Now, once you select options, go over to the view tab and then scroll down to the advanced settings list. So there's going to be a lot of different things, but just go over to advanced. And then once you're here, all you want to go ahead and do is ensure show previous handlers in preview pane is checked, and ensure always show icons, never thumbnails is unchecked. Once you go ahead and do that, click apply and then go ahead and click OK. Now, if you use Adobe, it has its own internal switch that must be flipped to talk to Windows 11. So open up Adobe Acrobat or Reader, click Menu, and then Preferences. On the left sidebar, click General. Then check the box where it says Enable PDF Thumbnail Previews in Windows Explorer. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.